Hi, my name is Mariah Starnes. This is my first year teaching, and I teach at USD 428, which is in Great Bend, Kansas. I teach elementary art at all 5 elementary schools in our district. Thankfully, there are 2 of us to be able to do so. It's impossible for one person to teach all 5 elementary schools. I am also in the transition to teaching program here at Fort Hays, and this is also my first master's program. I have a bachelor's in fine arts from East Central University in Ada, Oklahoma. I'm also originally from Oklahoma, been here in Kansas for 2 years now. My technology strengths are what I would consider average. I can do the basics on a computer, but I'm also able to find out how to do something new if I need to. One of my weaknesses is the fact that I do not have my own classroom. I am an art on the cart teacher and go to each individual classes. I am limited in what all I can take with me and um, whatever the teacher happens to have that I'm able to hook up to use. Our district is a one-to-one Chromebook with Chromebooks and iPads for the younger grades. I have made Kahoots, or art Kahoots is what I like to call them. And if we have a free day, we'll play them as a class, and the kids get to learn something new that might not be part of our lesson, but that's important to art. I feel pretty comfortable with the majority of the Google apps. I have had several classes that have used them, so I kind of prefer them more than Microsoft products. It's very short, sweet, and simple, and I can't wait to learn with you guys.